Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix YouTube playback access issues. For example, if you open a video on YouTube and if you try to play a video on playback and it shows an error, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. For example, if you open a video and you want to play it back and your access and you're having an error, for example, as video is having this kind of error, and you try to open the video, and after that, if you want to play it in a background and you see an error, so this kind of error is also mentioned in the YouTube Studio in known issues. So what is that error? YouTube access playback issues in parts of Europe and Asia. We are aware of reports that some users in Europe and Asia are having trouble accessing and viewing videos on YouTube. Our teams are actively investigating this issue. We'll update this thread as soon as we have new information. Thanks for patience. So as you can see, this kind of error is have 4,284 person affected. So if you are having the same problem, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the App Store or Play Store if you are having an Android device. In Play Store, App Store, you have to simply search for the YouTube app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And after that, you have to make sure that your error has been solved by the latest version. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and you have to go to iPhone storage, and here you have to look for YouTube app, and you have to simply offload the app. And after offloading the app, you can simply click on reinstall the app, and after reinstalling, your error will be resolved. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for some time so that YouTube can easily resolve this matter as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.